Hello friends and welcome to this video. I will share with you how you can add Blox free stock bot in your Discord. So guys, your server, all you have to do is going your server Discord and type on the server left here, click on the server name and this drop down here, going to do left, click on the server setting. After click on the server setting, you are going to left and scroll down until the find app directory option, and going to left click on app, and here you're going to see search bar, search and type Blox roots on word and then space, then you are going to search stock, so type this exact thing and search bar here, and then enter the search. You can see here first it's on the and the app is the Blox free stock Discord bot. Click here and you can add this server and select add option and make sure this is correct server, guys, and scroll down and click authorize and confirm you are human, and after that you server as done successfully added. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.